Hi, my name's Duane Hoover, and this is my daughter Chloe. Look, Chloe, to the camera. And this is my 1985 Ram truck. And as you can see, we have these 31-inch tires that need to go, and we have an 8-inch lift kit. And American Force wheels would make my truck the next step in making it a perfect truck. So help us out and my daughter here to get us some American Force wheels. Thanks a lot. I'm making my Ram into a show truck, and American Force would be the perfect wheel to make it that show truck that I always wanted. My favorite wheel is the Fallout.